Hello everyone, good morning. So, how are you all today? So, I am here to have some fun and learning activities. So, are you all happy? Yes? Show me thumbs up. Yes. So, now raise your fingers and raise your hands and wiggle your fingers. Correct. So this is, I know that you all are healthy and fine. And this is my silent hug to you all. Before starting the day, we'll start with a welcome song. Okay? So are you all going to sing along with me? The welcome song? Yes? Okay, so let's begin. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. How are you today? How are you today? Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hello my boys, hello my girls. How are you today? How are you today? Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hello Anjika, hello Vivan, hello Devina, hello Kabir, hello Vainavi, hello Arush, hello Aaron. Hello Param, hello Ratan, hello Nihid. How are y'all today? How are y'all today? Hello Ananya, hello Lavia, hello Sudiksha, hello Nafisa, hello Mukrida. How are y'all today? How are y'all today? Hello Arav, hello Ilyas, hello Sanvi. Hello Rudra. Hello Sayesh. How are y'all today? How are y'all today? Hello Satvik. Hello Jaydeep. Hello Mayank. Hello Advika. Hello Swanand. Hello Devina. Hello Ahana. How are y'all today? How are y'all today? Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Yay! So after this welcome song, what do we have? We have SEW, right? So what does S means? S stands for special skill of the day. So what is the special skill of the day today? Today you all have to put your dirty clothes to the laundry bag. Okay, everyone? Yes, the special skill for today is you all are going to put your dirty clothes in the laundry bag. And now what do we have? E stands for everything to do with day, date and month. Right, everyone? Yes. So now we have to do with everything with day, date and month. Correct? So what is the day today? Today is Friday. Which day is today? Today is Friday. What is the date today? Today is 2/6/26. What is the month going on? The month is June. Now you all know that now month is June. And which place does month June comes in? Sixth place. It's the sixth month of the year. Correct. Which year is going on? 2020. Yes. So how we will write the date? We will write 2/6/26, the date. Then 6 is the month and the 2020 is the year. Okay, everyone? Yeah. So now do you all know what W stands for? Yes. Quickly look out of your window and tell me how is the weather outside? Yes. I have a cloudy day. How is your weather there? Yes. Very good. So now after SEW, what do we have? After SEW, what do we have? We have rhyme times. Are you all going to sing with me? Yes. So we will all sing along, okay? Yeah, come on. The first rhyme is vegetable song. Come on. Vegetables are good for me. E-I-E-I-O. And so I eat them happily. E-I-E-I-O. And the carrot here, and the carrot there. Here a carrot, there a carrot, everywhere a carrot, carrot. Vegetables are good for me. E-I-E-I-O. And so I eat them happily. E-I-E-I-O. And the cabbage here, and the cabbage there. Here a cabbage, there a carrot, but everywhere a cabbage, cabbage. Vegetables are good for me. E-I-E-I-O. And so I eat them happily. E-I-E-I-O. The tomatoes here and the tomatoes there. Here tomato, there tomatoes, everywhere tomato, tomato. Vegetables are good for me. E-I-E-I-O. And so I eat them happily. E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Now what do we have? We have roly-poly. Come on everyone. Come on. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Up, up, up. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Out, out, out. Roly-poly, roly-poly. In, in. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Hands behind your back. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Up, up, up. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Left, left, left. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Right, right, right. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Hands behind your back. Okay, come on. Now all together we have to sing this roly-poly. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Up, up, up. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Out, out, out. Roly-poly, roly-poly. In, in. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Hands behind your back. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Up, up, up. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Left, left, left. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Right, right, right. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Hands behind your back. Yes. Okay. So now what do we have next? Come on everyone, stand up first. Come on, quickly everybody stand up in your place. Quickly everyone stand up. Yes. Now let's sing. If you're happy and you know it. Okay. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha, ha ha. If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha, ha ha. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say ha ha, ha ha. If you're happy, now everybody come on, stand up. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy, louder. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Yay! Very good. Now after the rhymes, what do we? Okay. So now after rhymes, what do we have? We have literacy time. So are you all ready for the literacy? Yes. So now what are we going to do? We will start the literacy with the recitation. Okay everyone? Yes. Come on. Now let's begin with the recitation. Yeah. Come on, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yes. So, do you all remember which letter did ma'am tell you, introduced you last time? Yes, the letter T. So, how does this letter sounds? Come on, everybody, tell me. With the action, repeat after me. Good. Okay. So now let's do the rhyme of letter T. Okay, who all are going to join me? Yes, everyone I want to join. Come on. Tip him, tap him on his back. Toot toot tortoise, please come back. Mummy, Daddy, Tommy too. All are knocking. All are knocking. Come on everybody, once again. Tip him, tap him on his back. Toot toot tortoise, please come back. Mummy, Daddy, Tommy too, all are knocking. So what is the sound of letter T? Good. Okay. So now ma'am had told you about the story of letter T. Let's see, what do you all remember? What are things that ma'am had taken along with her? Okay? Yes. What is this? Yes. It's a torch. Good. What's this? Toothbrush. Yes, right. You all remember. Tent. Yes. And a table. Yay. Very good, all of you. Very nice, yeah? Okay, so now we will practice writing. Yes, so ma'am will show you how do we write in this card the smaller case, and you all are going to write it where? You all will write it in the air. Come on everybody, take out your magic pencils. Yes. Okay, come on. Now start. First we will make a straight line, curve and a small line. Good. Very good everyone. Now we will try to make the uppercase T. First we'll make a small line, then a standing line. Yay! Superb! Yeah, very nice. You are practicing, huh? So now everybody clear your desk. Come on, quickly clear your desk. I want to see all the desks are clear or no? Yes, very nice. Okay, come on. Now ma'am will tell you how do we write on the board. I will write it here. You all are going to write it on your desk. Okay, everyone? Okay. First we will write the uppercase T. So what is the uppercase T? For small line and the standing line. From darker line to the darker line. Then again a smaller case T. We'll make a standing line, curve and then a small middle line. Okay? Okay everyone? Yes? Okay. Very nice. Okay. So everybody now clap for yourself. Tap your back. Good job. Okay. So after this we have one more thing. We have worksheet to do. Yes. Now ma'am is going to show you the worksheet. Yes. So now this worksheet says you all have to circle the box with the picture that begins with sound T. Okay everyone. So what are the things that you all see which start, pictures you all see that starts with letter T? Come on. Yes. Tree. Top. Table. Wow. Tomato. Nice. Teddy. Very good. Everybody. So this worksheet you all are going to practice. Okay. So we'll ask Mama to download this sheet from the Parents Resources sheet and give it to you all. Okay everyone. Yay. Super. Okay. Now after literacy, what do we have? Let's see. We have fun with games. So in fun with games, what do we have? We have a scarf dance. Who all are going to play this scarf dance? Okay, I will explain it. How do we play? We can put the music on, and we can have two handkerchiefs or any ribbons, two ribbons, and we can just put up and down, anyhow, and we can dance. Okay everyone? Yes. And then what do we have? We have active exploration. Yes, it's a music movement. Yes, so in music movement, what are we going to do? We are going to take some utensils from the kitchen and we are going to make some music and we will dance on it. Okay everyone? Yes. So after this music and movement, one more activity we have, that is origami cat. So we can make cat out of a paper. The link is given below. The link will be given so that you all can download it and then just watch it and we'll make it for you. Okay everyone? Yes. Okay. So now after this, what do we have? After this we have understanding my world. In understanding my world, what are we doing? We are learning about water bodies, right? But do we know the water also have states? Yes? Yeah. उनके भी तरीका होता है. Do you all see there are many kinds of water, right? Do you all see solid water, liquid form of water? Yes, yeah. So these are called the states of water. Like if we have ice, that is solid state. If we have liquid, the water that we put in the glass to drinking, that is in liquid state. And we have a gaseous state. Do you all ever seen your mama boiling water? Yes, did you all ever seen? Yes, so when the mama is boiling water, do you all see the vapor coming out? The smoke comes out of the hot water. So the vapor is known as evaporation, right? So that is also one kind of state, because when the vapors comes out of that water, when we cover it with a lid, what do we see when we open the lid? We see the cover of the lid is covered full of small droplets of water, right? And what is that process? That is condensation. Okay, everyone. So for more detailing, we can watch the video and we can understand better. Okay, everyone? Yes. Alright. So what is we'll just go through our revision for today. So what are the things we did? We first did a welcome song, then we did rhymes, we did welcome song, SEW, rhymes, then literacy, then we did fun with games, ma'am has told you about it, and then we have done active exploration and understanding my world. Okay, about the states of water we can learn detailed in the given video to you all. Okay, everyone? Okay, bye bye, see you all, thank you.